In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your iPhone, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you're going to begin by navigating to your settings. Now, once you're here, you're going to click on your name at the very top, and you'll see that you can find your current phone. Now, once you click here, a really good option if you're going to reset your phone is to actually do an iCloud backup. And you would do that by clicking Backup Now, and all of your backups will be stored in the cloud so that once you reset your phone, all of your data can be stored somewhere. Now, to actually reset your iPhone, you're going to click on General and scroll all the way down and navigate to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, as you can see, it says Prepare. So to actually back up your iPhone before you do this. Now, if you want to reset it, you're going to click on Reset at the bottom. And if you want to erase all the content and settings, you're going to click that. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.